Have you heard of project management systems? They're amazing tools for keeping projects organized and on track.
Absolutely. There are different types of project management systems, like Agile and Waterfall. They have different approaches and benefits depending on the project.
I've heard of Agile, but what's the waterfall model?
Waterfall is a traditional approach to project management where each phase of a project is completed sequentially. It's great for projects with clear requirements and limited changes.
Interesting. And how does Agile work?
Agile is a flexible approach that emphasizes collaboration and adaptation. The project is broken down into smaller cycles called sprints, allowing for continuous improvement and feedback.
That sounds like a great approach. Can you give me an example of a project that would benefit from Agile?
Sure. Software development projects are a great fit for Agile because there are often changes in requirements and user needs. Agile allows for flexibility and faster delivery of working software.
Got it. And what about Waterfall?
Waterfall is suited for projects with well-defined requirements and limited changes. For example, a construction project with clear plans and specifications would benefit from Waterfall.
I see. So it really depends on the project requirements. Thanks for sharing your expertise.
No problem. The key is to choose the right approach for the project and be open to adapting as needed. Let's keep improving our project management skills.